Hello and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're exploring an essential element of English that makes our sentences smoother and less repetitive: pronouns. At the C1 level, we'll look at some advanced uses of pronouns that can help make your language more fluid, precise, and natural. So, what exactly is a pronoun? Pronouns are words that replace nouns in a sentence, allowing us to avoid repeating the same nouns over and over. Common pronouns include he, she, it, they, this, that, who, whom, and whose. Pronouns are essential for keeping our sentences clear and varied, making conversation sound natural and easy to follow. Let's look at a few examples to see pronouns in action. Sarah went to the store because she needed groceries, where she replaces the noun Sarah. Or, in the students finished the test and they were relieved, they refers back to the students. At the C1 level, pronouns can be used to create subtle emphasis or reference abstract ideas. For example, anyone can succeed if they work hard uses they as a gender-neutral singular pronoun. Or, in this is something which we should all consider, which introduces a relative clause, adding more detail to something. In daily life, pronouns make conversation smoother. Imagine you're talking about a friend's trip. You might say, he had a great time in Spain and he learned a lot. Or, if you're describing a choice, you might say, this is what we need to decide. Using pronouns allows us to keep sentences concise and lets us connect ideas without unnecessary repetition. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to practice using different types of pronouns to help your sentences flow more naturally. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review if you're enjoying the podcast. Your support helps others find the show, and we always appreciate your feedback. Thanks for tuning in today to learn about pronouns at the C1 level. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode.